So, Thomas, can you tell me something about Studio Dip?
Studio Dip is a company that designs intelligent imaging products. So we combine the world of product design with developing image processing software. That means that we recognize anything in the real world with cameras and turn this into useful information for the people that use our products. We do this on a project base, so we work with different clients to develop products for them, and we also develop our own products.
And why did you choose to start your own company?
After I was done with industrial design, while I was already studying in last year the masters, I really was really interested already in starting a company, because I think it's really fits the profile we have as industrial designers, because we're broadly educated, we have the skills to learn anything quickly and to also, I think, cover all aspects of starting your own company.
And how do you market intelligent systems?
Well, intelligent systems itself, for us it's often a matter of efficiency and intelligence in the sense of making it more user-friendly or user-focused. So we market our products, our intelligent products, in a way that it solves problems and makes things more efficient for people that buy them.
Why did you choose to study ID in the first place?
Yeah, I chose to start industrial design because I really like to combine the more technical aspects together with, working with people, working also in teams, but also working for people and user focus, and combining these two worlds was what really drove me to industrial design, actually.
What do you think are the main qualities or the general profile of an ID alumnus?
The main quality of an ID alumnus or the general profile? I think the main quality is that we already have a background knowledge in a lot of different areas, and if we want to get to know some area better, want to talk about it, we can really dive deep into it and get to know it and use it and communicate with people who are more experts in this area. I think we have the ability to really learn and fast in many different directions, but still we have the more common sense in all the other areas, so we don't make the stupid mistakes that people who are really experts in one area usually make.
Can you describe what being an ID alumnus means to you?
I think it means that, as an ID alumnus, I think we have a certain way of working and way of working also together with other ID alumni. That's really important. So the way we can help each other out and have different specialties and know how to use them and how to not use them. I think it's really what it's all about.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I think in 10 years we have built our company to be a lot bigger, be an important player at least, and also internationally on image recognition and product design combined. So I think we will have a few of our own products by then, and we have done a lot of interesting projects hopefully for customers, and so I hope to still be in charge of this company then.
What sort of extra skills can an ID alumnus like yourself bring to the table in your field?
I think the main quality we bring to our field is that we have the possibilities to solve a problem in many different ways, because mainly this field is about software programming, or it's completely about product design. But If we see a problem in something with image recognition, we have the option to either fix it in the software, make users behave differently by adapting the product, or we market it as a special feature, or in that way. We are able to solve a problem in many different ways, and so we're not stuck in one place directly. I think that's a very good quality we have.
What is the unique selling point of an ID alumnus, in your opinion?
I think I already answered this a little bit. Unique selling point of an ID alumnus is to be able to work individually, to be able to adapt to any different environment or work environment, but also area of interest, and to be able to criticize and think abstractly.
What is your advice for companies who now hesitate to hire an ID alumnus?
My advice is to always give it a try, because you never know in how many other ways than you expect you can have advantage of people who are educated as industrial designers at our faculty.
What do your clients or the people you work with think about you as an industrial designer?
They're usually amazed at what we are able to do, because many people think we're hardcore programmers, and because we're in image recognition, and then they're amazed about what we are all able to do or to achieve. And when we tell them that this is our background, they're amazed that there's an education like this that focuses on so many different aspects and brings it all together in one package.
What advice would you give fresh new ID alumni?
I think if you really want to get started or to start out working in a company later, in a bigger company, the advice is to specialize earlier on in your education, to, for instance, go very much into the medical direction or go very much into a user-focused direction, because it's easier to fit the profiles that are out there to get a job. If you, on the other side, want to start your own company, it's very useful to keep it broader, but also to investigate more the business perspective and everything that has to do with starting your own company as soon as possible.
One of your first projects as Studio Dip was the Bridge Card Reader. Can you tell me something about that?
Yeah, the Bridge Card Reader is a system that's able to identify playing cards during large bridge tournaments, and it uses this information to broadcast the play data on the internet, so people can follow important bridge tournaments all over the world by logging into a website. And it also helps out the referees to instant rewind to important events that happened at every table. And the system consists of cameras that are mounted and looking down on the table, and a computer that's below that runs image processing software we also developed to analyze these playing cards, and then through a connection it's able to send this to the internet.